A family in Nairobi is seeking answers following the mysterious death of their kin who died after undergoing a surgery at a healthcare facility. The family is accusing Radiant Hospital located in Kasarani, Nairobi, of alleged negligence following the death of Felicitas Njagi, who underwent a procedure for the removal of fibroids but succumbed 4 days later. But what happened? As Ode Francis reports, the family is also locked in another tussle with the husband of their daughter.
In the heart of Nairobi, within the sterile confines of Radiant Hospital Kasarani, a chilling narrative unfolds, a tale of life, death and allegations of negligence. Felicitas Njagi, once a hopeful seeker of healing, now lies lifeless, her mortal coil ensnared in a web of secrecy, unanswered question and conflicting interests. In the dimly lit corridors of Radiant Hospital Kasarani, a somber tale unfolds, one that defies comprehension and leaves grieving hearts in its wake. 7th of January 2023, the clock struck midnight, and Felicitas' family received the devastating news. Their beloved one had succumbed after undergoing a surgery for fibroids.
As I was getting in and trying to open, to lift the blankets and see her body, I realized some sort of dirt, fluid, and some sort of undigested food or something was coming out through the wood. Then I shout, I'm shocked. I just shout, I run, call the doctors.
The family is seeking tough questions bordering on alleged negligence by the hospital.
Fibroids ni kitu inaguru. Akamua hata nikae nayo. Siku moja atatolewa. So akamua tu ni yeye atolewe. Akuwe sawa instead ya kuwa na problems hapa na pale. So wakaongea na huyo nisi wangu na wakapangana kwenda hospitali.
According to Felicitas' family, they were denied crucial receipts, documents that could shed light on the medical procedures to be undertaken.
To my surprise, they go second floor, first floor, just like that. They're on the ground floor, and all of a sudden I see them taking her to the ambulance, and we inquire, why are you not telling us what is happening? And one of the nurses responds, you are not our center of attraction. We are taking care of the emergency.
Postmortem conducted by Chief Government Pathologist Johnson Oduor reveals that Njagi died following an infection during the surgery.
The operation reportedly went on well. Then 3 days later, she developed abdominal swelling. And they went in to find out what was the problem. And they found that there was a piece of gut which had perforated. And having perforated, there was a lot of fecal material, an infection, which spewed into the abdominal cavity, which led to complications. So when we did the postmortem, we just found that there was evidence of there have been what's called peritonitis, which is the spewing off of the fecal material and bacteria in the abdomen. And there were evidence of her having been operated the second time to remove the piece which had perforated. What killed actually was complication of infection.
So Oduor tells us that they have looked at our patient and they have realized that her intestines were cut, literally cut. I think they said 4 centimeters of the part of the intestine was missing.
And now 3 weeks of mourning weigh heavily on Felicitas' family. The deceased husband has allegedly refused to release her body for burial. Efforts by KTN News to get answers for Radiant hospitals have proven futile. For the time being, Felicitas' body continues to rest in the cold embrace of Kenyatta University's mortuary.